Improve manufacturing efficiency with our industrial label printers. Because the print head lifts up between barcodes, it saves ribbon when you use pre-printed labels, so you can keep track of expiry dates for fresh produce, all while saving money and boosting your green credentials. Get products around your warehouse faster with our robust, reliable, and high-performance industrial printers. Its rotary cutter means labels are produced efficiently and at speed. Ready to slot into the front of your tote trolley and send your items to their next stop. We help keep your production line moving. Our applicator system automatically prints and applies labels to items on the conveyor belt, avoiding added manual processes and freeing up time for your staff. And because our ribbons and consumables are crafted to work perfectly with Toshiba barcode and label printers, you're guaranteed efficient printing from each device, while upholding your warranty and reducing your environmental impact. Choose Toshiba consumables for better print quality from every ribbon, every time, longer print head life, and a huge range of competitively priced stock for all applications available for next day delivery. It all adds up to peace of mind for you and your business. Plus, working with us means access to a one-stop shop of support services. Our business is built on trust, and our team is committed to helping you in any way we can, in a way that suits you. From entry-level to high performance, our barcode solutions support your work environment, wherever you need us.